Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your DOSS SoundBox Plus speaker with any MacBook. So first of all, you have to power on your speaker by pressing this button once. There we go, and as you can see in my case, there is the pairing mode as default. It means that I can pair it right now, but if you don't have this blinking icons, you have to click and hold this button for like 5 seconds until you hear the notification and it starts blinking like that. So put it close to your MacBook and then go to the sound settings, go to the Bluetooth, and then select SoundBox Plus from the list. So click connect, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.